Jeff G. I'm honored to serve as the chair of the Joint Powers Board this morning, and I want to welcome all of you here. This has been first a dream and a vision, and now we are looking forward to electric Caltrain service in September of 2024. You know, when commuter rail on the peninsula started, the President of the United States was a gentleman named Abraham Lincoln. Here we are over 150 years later, thousands of hours of effort, advocacy, a dream and a vision. Rod, that's what we talked about many years ago, to bring electrified service on the peninsula. A much greener, much more environmentally friendly, increased service, and all the benefits to moving people on the peninsula, but just not only on the peninsula, in the region. And I'm thankful that all of you are joining us here today to see our first public unveiling of the trains, the first of many opportunities to see the trains along the entire corridor over the next several months. Rod Diridon, ladies and gentlemen. Rod was one of the many core group visionaries many years ago, but this project is decades in the making, and yes, you worked with my dad. Thank you, Rod. Thank you for that. Dad really appreciates that because he started that vision together. So enough words from me. I'd like to introduce our next speaker, State Senator Aisha Wahid.
Yeah, Aisha.
Hi folks, I just really want to say congratulations to the entire community for this great effort. I'm State Senator Aisha Wahab. I represent this area and I'm very, very happy to see this come, to fruition. This is a team effort. The amount of people that have worked on this project for years, right? To help the community, to make sure, thank you. To make sure that, one, we have different options, right? When we talk about public transportation, the fact that we are moving into a greener environment, greener economy, greener everything that we can do, and save our planet, right? This is incredibly important, and if you take a look, the fact that they had 4,000 RSVPs clearly shows that the team has worked hard, that the people are very much interested, and this is a successful project. So it's a great honor for me to be able to present this certificate of recognition. I really want to thank the Caltrain team because, because it's not just a one-person effort. You know, an idea literally takes an entire village to make happen, right? And we have great leaders like Rod Diridon who genuinely starts something, but it's every single person here that finishes it. So thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, State Senator. Our next speaker will be our Assembly member and former Director on the JPB, Ash Kalra.
Thank you so much, Jeff, for your leadership in making this day happen and supporting Caltrain electrification. You know, I've been a longtime supporter of the Caltrain electrification project, and in fact, when I was on the Caltrain Board of Directors, that was when we first signed the first MOU with high-speed rail.
Thank you, Assembly member. On that note, the Mayor of the City of San Jose, Mayor Matt Mahan.
Thank you, Jeff. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing?
Good. This feels a little bit like a Taylor Swift concert. I mean, look at this. This is an incredible turnout. We've got people literally lined up around the corner to go tour these new electric trains. I am so excited about this milestone for Caltrain and for our community. I was one of those daily Caltrain riders for many years. I would pick up the train right here at Diridon, and if I didn't get here early enough, I'd be standing the whole way to San Francisco when I was working in the tech sector, going all the way up there. We know that these kinds of investments are absolutely foundational for building the kind of future that we all want to live in. Upgrading Caltrain and the rest of our transit infrastructure is what will enable the kind of economic development and growth that will continue to make our region competitive. The innovation economy is here because we have a density of talent and we can move around and collaborate and work all over our region. We need transit to be able to do that more effectively, to meet our climate goals and build a cleaner, more resilient environment for all of us to thrive in. San Jose has set a very aggressive goal of being carbon neutral by 2030. We can't get there without infrastructure investments like Caltrain.
Everyone check in.